Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can place a video inside of a logo on CapCut PC. So to do that, you are going to select a photo of your logo here. I'm just going to make this a little bit longer. Place it on the second track. Then select a video that you want, any video that you want here. Make sure you've scaled it up. Go to blend mode and select darken. If your logo, oops, do it on the second, like the overlay, sorry. Like that. If your logo is white, you are going to use that one, but if your logo is black, you're going to either select brighten or screen. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.